All right, I'm gonna do part 2 of Resident Evil 8. So I'm just gonna continue on. I'm so excited to see what happens next. So Rhodes was just taken by Chris Redfield, who I've got a huge crush on, but it is fine. Okay. Now we're walking around. I think outside my home. I'm not really sure, but it doesn't show me the place I just left. So we'll see. I'm cold. Definitely cold. Follow these footsteps. Clearly I'm trying to track down Chris Redfield. He just took Rose. I'm assuming these are his. They're the only footsteps I see, so we'll find out. Come on. Can I run? Here, let's see if I can run. Okay. Oh. Do not enter. Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm pretty sure that's the bad hand, though. I can't remember. Which hand did he lose first? Or in 7. I can't remember. Oh, gosh. Hear noises. Where are they going? Okay, yeah, it's fine. Gosh darn it. Just dead crows. Literally a murder of crows. Gosh darn it. Why? Why crows? Oh, that's a bird. Oh, just a bird. Okay. Poor bird. At least in its misery, if you're going to do that. Let's get down here. Oh, scared me. Keep going straight. No idea where I'm going. Oh my gosh. What were those feet? Why is my brightness not all the way up? Okay, they're gone. I don't hear anything, so that's good. Hi. Okay. Sorry if I'm slow. My hand is recovering from a broken wrist, so it is fine. Diddly-eye. Okay, nothing in there. I can't take that rope. Shrooms? No, I think it was potatoes. It's fine. Weed. Toothbrush. Someone needs to pay the water bill. It's fine. Pills. I want those pills. No, I can't take them. Looks just like what Mia was on. But rip Mia. Picture of grandma doing something like Rumpelstiltskin kind of shit. Open it. Okay, I have no idea what I'm looking for. Hopefully a gun. I do feel very vulnerable right now without a weapon, and I can't pick up like beer bottles and throw it. Oh, I thought that was a body. Okay, can I open this? No. Okay. I'm listening to sound of music in the background. I just heard like a little child singing and I just got scared. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. There's literally nothing in there? No way. What would be the point? No, I already went in there. Oh my gosh. Fine, I'll open it again. I don't know what you want me to do. Surely they didn't go through all this work to make this cute little cabin. They didn't put anything useful in here. Oh. Okay. Oh. There is a back room. Okay. Good to know. It's right by the pills. Who knew? Nothing? Can't do anything? Okay. Oh. Oh, yes. What's this? Yep. Oh. Yeah, it's just Mother Mary, I believe. Can I do anything with this? Okay. Hoping that was like a weapon or something, but it's not. That definitely looks important. Okay, that's fine. Nothing? Cat litter. Okay, guess I don't need cat litter. Definitely need the cat though if there's a mouse problem, but it's fine. What is that? I want to die. I sometimes like the first person view, but also I hate it because like I just want to know what's behind me or... Oh, okay. Lift that up. Why am I making noise? That's fine. Your hands always mess up. Just get over it then. So is my hand though too. So.
What did all this?
Okay, getting light out. So that's good. There's nothing really in there, except for that scare. I have to put like a happy movie on in the background. Right now it's Sound of Music just so I can like not pee my pants. It's fine.
Where the hell am I?
Yeah. I thought we were in your backyard. Where the hell are you? Looks like Dracula's castle. Is this where Chris Redfield is? Really want a weapon right now. It's fine. Oh, so sad. Can I crack them? Ah, no. Nothing? Nothing? No. Nothing? His running is basically like a walk. I'm so upset. Shoot. Ugh, I never know which way to go. I always choose the wrong way.
What happened?
Why are they killing all the animals? Why is someone home right now? I'm so upset. Okay, let's see. Can I examine it? Oh, there's chickens alive at least, so that's good. Oh my gosh. Where's a flashlight? Okay, yeah. Ugh. I need something. Oh, here we go. Yes. That's not a good sign, though. Usually when I see first aid kit, that means someone's gonna attack me soon. Oh, this part's nice, though.
Did they just run out of the house?
Is that tadpoles? No. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, did they just run out of the house? Okay, there's nothing over here. Nothing else. At least I got a weapon, though. Oh, wait, what's behind this curtain? Nothing. Nothing. Wait. Shit. Damn it. I was hoping it was nothing.
No, friendly. Friendly.
Who are you? Who sent you?
Nobody. There was an accident down the road and...
Who are you?
What's going on?
That's right.
Oh no,
I wonder if I was in that situation if I would make that face too.
they're coming.
Who is? What the hell was that?
You have a gun?
What?
No.
Please tell me you have a gun.
No, I just have
No,
a knife.
why would I?
Give me your gun. Bye.
Take it!
Yeah, I will.
Tell me it's out there. Hey, are you listening? Hey!
Darn it. My one friend. They always die.
What the?
Why not me?
Shit!
So sad. Oh,
Dead body? Wait, there's more.
why not me? Ugh. Oh my gosh, I hope they have ammo though. Who dis? Wait, they all look the
Jesus
same.
Christ.
That literally was just the dude that.
What the hell is wrong with this place?
That looks different. Shame. Okay. I can't. Why is it always my name? Oh my
Shit!
God. Oh, that hurts a lot
was
more
that?
than mine. Ooh, woo. Kill him.
No.
Jeez Louise, just. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll beat it. Ugh, please, just move. Oh, no. What? Some superhuman? No. Oh my gosh. Please. Pressing the wrong button. Don't know those books controls. Why? Just go down. Jeez Louise. I need ammo. If they're all like that,
What
they're
the
all
hell?
psycho. I need ammo. 7 was like that too, I guess. You need like 30 shots just to kill a mold person. Unless you always got their head, which I didn't always. Okay, now where do I go? Jeez Louise. Ugh. Okay. Probably out that door. I don't know. Great. Choose an item to use. I clearly don't have it. Ugh. I need more ammo. Please tell me there's more ammo. Where did those bodies go? Bolt cutters. How convenient. Yes, that's exactly what I need. there anything behind this? Yeah, I want that. I want that. I'm gonna light some shit on fire. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's like they knew I was not meant to be good at this. Okay, let's just use... Ugh. I'm so upset that I've already got to use this. Ugh, my hand. It's horrible. Why is my hand always getting destroyed? How would literally, just knowing about my wrist, I would not be able to do that. Especially with half a hand. Like, no, that's not possible. Ugh. Select from those, of course. Don't want to go on the surface. The radio's trying to turn on, and like, ugh. No one's gonna help me. What? I just turned it off? Okay. Well, actually, that's better. I just want answers. Nothing. Are you kidding me? No. Why is there a zombie trying to get in? Why? 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 How did... I want to check. I don't understand. Oh, please. Please. Why? Why? Why are there so many things? Oh my gosh. Why? Why do they look like that? Why can't they be the mold people again? Or like...
Is it over?
Go. Yes, I hope. Is the radio again? Fucking kidding me.
Hello. If there are any survivors out there, come to Louisa's house near the fields.
Survivors?
I don't want to go in the field. Why can't she be conveniently located right here? I got lay money. How do I leave? I really just don't even know how to leave. I want it. I want that. I want my knife. I see something out there that I want. But how do I leave? Okay. Maybe I'm just being dumb. Oh, I can't look like that. My hand. No way it can be that. Uh-uh. I want this. Why do I hear this? Just don't know what I want to do. Go up these stairs.
Okay. Damn it.
What? It's full. I don't care about flour. I want, literally, I want ammo. Why do I hear things, but I don't see it? I'm guarding. I don't see anything. Okay. Just don't come after me. I hear them, but I don't even know what's worse. Oh, there it is. I want that one. Attack flower? See.
There's no end to them.
What's that mean? How did you get by? Oh my gosh, I didn't kill him? No! Holy! Are you flipping kidding me? Kill him! Why are all these bullets not doing anything? Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, I'm literally... Why? Why do I not have my Why are there so many zombies and not enough ammo? I literally don't know.
You're kidding me.
I don't know. Done. Please. I'm just gonna run next time. I don't know what you want from me. I'm not happy. Okay, at least I got through that. Why didn't it save when I got the tool?
Is it over?
Just shut up. Shut up because there's clear people up there. I want the knife. Gotta go back up the stairs. I get it. I want to die. There's two things in here that I grab. Just run.
Damn it.
I don't know that. Stuff like that. No. I'm gonna do this again. And do that. And then. No. Why am I not running? Why does that guy have a machete? Run. Run like you've never ran before. Go, go, go. What is this? Why are you stuck?
There's no end to them.
Whoa. Whoa. Okay, okay. Oh, why am I? No, are you kidding me? More? Where? Okay. Crap. So I'm gonna use. What is that? What is that? No. I'm really. I literally. Why? Like. Okay, no, I'm not great. I don't even know what to do right now. Can I just like run? I think I'm gonna die. I think I'm gonna die. There's no way I can beat all these people. Alright. Go. It's locked. Oh. What do I do now? Oh, no. Fuck you. Oh. Survive this? How? How do you want me to survive? What? No, I'm dead. You guys can go away now. Why are they coming? Is it supposed to be unsurvivable? Fuck no. I get it, I'm dead. No, I'm dead. I don't want to fight him right now. Okay, let's go with me. I literally wanted to die. So I didn't have to waste all those bullets? I wasted so much. My ring is still on. Take it off. Mia's dead. We need to get over it. Okay. As if I just carry that with me. It's fine. Now we're brothers.
Wait.
I don't want to follow him. Oh, there's an explosive thing right there? Are you fucking kidding me? It's fine. You know what? It would have just cost bullets anyways. Was that always there though? Pretty sure. Pretty sure this is all there. I think. Oh.
In life and in death, we give glory.
Hello? You shouldn't be out here. It's not safe. What the hell? Hey, can you hear me?
It's you, the child's father.
Child? Hey, wait. Do you mean Rose? Is she here?
Rose! Rose, yes. She is in great danger. Since Mother Miranda brought her to the village, we have fallen into darkness.
What are you talking about? The monsters?
The castle bell heralds danger. They're coming!
No, better not be coming
Wait,
right now. I got no
where's
bullets.
Rose? Who's Mother Miranda?
The bell tolls for us all. They're coming again!
Rose is here?
I don't even know. I always like to look at the art. Same picture. What's it gonna deal? Okay, good to know. Don't know. No, I need ammo. Oh, great lichens, the fabled monster wolves of old. May they come to eat our flesh. May they come to tear us apart. Okay, that means nothing to me. Lichen, though. Okay, yeah. And easy to pick lock. Okay, then open it. Oh, I need like a bobby pin or something. Fuck. Nothing? Oh, hi, health. It's a cool little village, though, I'm not gonna lie. Can I open this? No. Ugh, fine. What was that? Shoot, I didn't even see what I picked up. Does it go there? What was it? No. Nothing? I can't go in there? Looks pretty open to me. I'm hoping to find some sort of herb or something. Ammo. No? Okay. Ceremony site. I hope it's unlocked. Probably not. Of course it is. What's this? Nothing. We offer these goats of warding to protect the village and its people. Any who break them shall feel Mother Miranda's wrath. There's Mother Miranda. All right, so, okay. Can I break it? Oh, okay. Huh. Didn't feel her wrath yet. There should be some herbs in the graveyard. I would assume. Man, oh man. Yes. Okay.
Guess this leads to the castle.
I wish I had a flashlight. That'd be great. It's kind of hard to see. I think that I know where that goes. Okay, let's read this. Okay. Should disaster fall upon the village, seek out the crests. One is in the care of the church, the other is at Louisa's. Okay. I'll figure it out.